Hi everyone, before we get started, I'm just going to run through what you need. Okay, so all you need is a beanbag and a football. So try not to use a tennis ball, so something a bit bigger, please, would be great. Don't panic, because I can only assume that not everyone is going to have a beanbag, but don't worry, Coach Harry to the rescue. We've got rice in some cling film. That is absolutely fine, that works. So pause the screen, and I'll see you back in a second. All right, little rackets, are you ready? Good, okay. Today we're gonna start off with a slow jog, and we're gonna do some animal noises. Okay, so we're gonna copy Coach Harry. So let's go for a little jog. Let's start jogging. Jog, jog, jog. And we're jogging through, and there's a lion. Who could go a lion? Right. Who could do a lion? Big roars. Good, and keep jogging. Keep going. Who can do a gorilla? Who's doing big gorillas? Go, big gorillas! And go. Keep going. Keep going. And who can do a cat? Meow. Who can do a big cat? Meow. Good. Keep going, children. Got little ones. Keep going. Keep moving. Keep your legs moving. And who can do a chicken? Who can do a chicken? And go. Keep going. Keep going. And the last one, this is Coach Harry's specialty. It's a donkey. Who can do the best donkey? Well done, children. Give yourselves a big clap. Good job. Okay, next game, children. Have you got your ball? Show me your ball. Lift it up. Show me your ball. Good. Okay, we're just going to do a little bit of bounce and catch. So stand in the middle of the room. Middle of the room. Okay, now 2 hands on the bottom of the football. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bounce and then we're gonna try catch it. So ready? We're gonna go bounce and catch. And again, bounce and catch. All right, make sure we don't drop that ball, otherwise you're a silly sausage. So ready? Bounce and catch. Now, can you say it when you bounce and catch it? Say it nice and loud, bounce and catch. I want you to say it nice and loud to the camera. Okay, so look at the ball. Ready? And bounce and catch. Good. And again. Ready? Bounce and catch. See if we can do it 3 more times. 3 times. Ready? Bounce and catch. And again. Bounce and catch. 1 more, children. And bounce and catch. Good job. Okay guys, next game, all we need is our beanbag. Okay, so have your beanbag here, or your clean film of rice. Can you just put that down just for a split second, just for a second? Okay, so we're gonna copy Coach Harry first. Okay, so all we're gonna do, stand in the middle of the room, and now we're gonna squat down. So we're gonna have our legs like this, so a little bit further apart, and then we're just going to try and squat down nice and low, okay? And all the way down, all the way down. See if you can squat like this, all the way down and up, okay? Keep going, so now, try 1 more time and I want you to keep your head straight and your back straight. So stand up straight, nice and straight, and now try to squat down. Or keep your head straight, okay. Now it's gonna get a bit harder. Now this is gonna be a bit difficult, but we can keep trying. We get our beanbag. Okay, so stand in the position. Can we try and put the beanbag on our head? We keep it on our head. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to try and squat down again. So we're going to try and go down without dropping the beanbag. If you drop the beanbag, you're a silly sausage. And all the way up. Good. Now we can rearrange it again. And now we can go again. So nice and slow. Oh, there we go. And what happens if you take your eyes off Coach Harry? If you look down, you're going to be a silly sausage again. Okay, can we get ourselves a big clap? Well done, children. Good job. Okay, now, children, what do we do at the end of every lesson with Coach Harry? What do we do? Good, it's a cool down. Can we all say cool down? Well done. So we're going to do a cool down. All you have to do is copy Coach Harry. Okay, so we're going to go for a little jog. Go for a little jog. Moving those feet, running, run, run, run. Now can you spin around? Who can spin? Who can spin? Go around twice and again. and stop, and spin the other way. Spin the other way. Let's go one more. Let's go one more. Okay, now shake it off. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Shake your feet. Feet. Wiggle your whole body. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And jump. Who can do big jumps? Big jumps. Jump, jump, jump. Go on, kangaroos. 3 more. 2, 3. Stop. Okay, give ourselves a big clap. Well done, children. Thank you for today. It was fantastic. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Coach Harry.